Hello, my name is Katarzyna Kamińska, and I am technologist at the sewage treatment plant in Słupsk. Our previous roots blowers have been in use for 20 years. Their control was not optimal, both in terms of the amount of electricity consumed and the possibility of a risk of temporary exceedances at the outflow of treated sewage.
Hello, my name is Adam Paczesny. I am the Commercial Director in the Industrial Automation Department at DP System. DP System has completed a project involving implementation and startup of a master control system MAX at the sewage treatment plant in Słupsk.
Previous devices prevented us from achieving our assumed energy goals, and we were not adapted to cooperate with process control technologies in a dynamic manner.
One of the elements of this project was the integration with kaeser compressor and blowers via the Profibus DP network. It is a proven solution that allows us to control the operation of blowers and full diagnostics of these devices.
In addition to the purchase of blowers, we were very keen on introducing a modern master control system that would continuously monitor the current pollutant loads in the wastewater flowing to the biological part of the treatment plant, and such a system that would enable the control of many individual technological processes in a manner ensuring reliability and safety of the wastewater treatment process.
The program controls the operation of blowers, taking into account their capabilities and energy consumption aspects, monitors the operation of individual devices by equalizing their working time, and ensures that the entire blower system works stably.
Technical dialogue is the most objective form of market recognition and the possibility of providing more detailed information. The technical dialogue gives the contracting authority the opportunity to learn, while the contractor provides information about the contracting authority's requirements. Our technical dialogue lasted about 2 weeks and was attended by about 9 bidders who, based on the data provided from the sewage treatment plant installations, were to select the most optimal set of devices. The criterion to which we paid the main attention was the energy efficiency of the device, and our main goal was that the new set of blowers would provide us with a reduction of electricity consumption at the level of at least 25%. Based on the information obtained during the technical dialogue, it was shown that the most efficient devices in terms of energy are screw blowers offered by kaeser compressors, where the specific power index was less than 0.02 kilowatts per cubic meter of air supplied. The key role in assessing the total cost of ownership is the purchase cost and service cost.
Nowadays, wastewater treatment plants are not only treatment plants, but also companies that recover biogenes, thermal energy, and electricity processed from biogas from wastewater. Thus, the key element is the energy optimization of such a process. The MAX system is designed to optimize this process in terms of energy. It improves both technological and energy efficiency, and automates and reduces the time necessary to control the entire process.
The main challenge for both the contracting authority and the contractor was the process of replacing the blowers, which was to be done during the normal operation of the installation. The biological reactor is the heart of the wastewater treatment plant, and the investment made can be compared to a complex open heart surgery. The mere replacement of the blowers took about 2 months. During this period, there were some crises, mainly due to our old roots blowers. But in this difficult time for us, we could count on intervention support from kaeser compressors. When we had a problem with aeration and maintaining conditions at the outflow of treated sewage, kaeser provided us with an additional aeration blower.
The operation of MAX focuses on the most important element of the treatment process. It is the bioreactor. This is where the most important wastewater treatment processes take place. The feature of the bioreactor is that it consumes the most energy of the entire treatment process. This accounts for about 40 to 60% of the total energy consumption.
As of today, we can confirm the reduction of energy consumption at the level of approximately 30%, which allows us to obtain the installation passivity index. To sum up, the devices work in a failure-free manner. They do not require extensive supervision from us, and they perfectly integrate with operation of cogeneration units as well as with the entire control system. The passivity of the installation means that we are 100% self-sufficient, producing our own energy.
The use of the Max DP system master control system allowed to reduce energy consumption by 14 to 16% compared to the original consumption. When we add the cooperation with kaeser blowers, the result is over 30% savings, which is a great result. Considering the growing energy prices over the year, this represents very tangible savings. Max did a great job in achieving the goal of energy passivity in the sewage treatment plant in Słupsk.
The replacement of the blowers allows us to obtain the passivity index of the installation. In example, today we need less energy purchased from the outside. Our energy produced in cogeneration units, in example in aggregates that produce both heat and electricity, is enough for us to cover 100% of the sewage treatment plant's demand. In the sideline of the sewage treatment plant, there is a very interesting installation, a biological reactor operating in the Anamox technology, which also requires aeration. The blowers there have been quite worn out for some time, so we plan to replace them in the near future. Therefore, we will count on the further cooperation with kaeser company.